Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to translate comment on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now I'll just look for a comment which I can translate. Now let's translate a comment from here. Long press on the comment and you'll see there's no option to translate. Now go back to the post. Tap on three dots and copy the link. Now close the Instagram app and open a browser. Now paste the link. Now let's look for the comment here. But it says I have to log in to load more comments. So I'll just take the comment which is in front of me. Oops. I'll just paste the link again. Now in the comment tap on more and then long press on the comment. Now a selector will pop up. By this we have to select the whole comment. Then tap on copy. Now go to Google Translate. On the input language, you have to select detect language. Now paste the comment here. And now if you scroll down, you'll see the translation. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.